For this 2020 HIIT, we're going to be performing bicycle crunches. The biggest thing when you're performing your bicycle crunches, make sure that your lower back is always flat on the floor and there's no twisting and rotating at all through the spine. So I'm going to lie back here, lower back flat on the floor, knee to elbow, and then we switch back and forth like so. But notice how when I do the exercise, I'm not reaching up. There's no spinal flexion involved. My lower back stays nice and flat on the floor. You can also hold the back of your head just to support your neck as you do the exercise. When you're performing the exercise for the 2020 HIIT, the goal is to do it fast, but always ensure that you're performing the exercise properly, that core is engaged, your back feels nice and strong, you have no pain in the lower back whatsoever, and then from there, once you have all those things guaranteed, you can pick up the speed a little bit.